Hey, welcome to frontlineforcats.org, your source for Frontline and Frontline Plus. You can get all products made by Frontline, Frontline Spray, Frontline Top Spot, and get free shipping and discounts with your order when you go to frontlineforcats.org. You must be sure to protect your pet from fleas and ticks every month of the year and not just during the supposed flea and tick season in order to protect them from harmful diseases like Lyme and Rocky Mountain fever that both fleas and ticks carry. Check out frontlineforcats.org.